Want to know how to add auto text or caption on your videos in CapCut on your iPhone? Watch this video and make your videos more engaging and clearer for viewers. In this video, I'll show you how to add text and captions in CapCut. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. After that, open your project. Now select the clip. Here, a menu of options will appear at the bottom. Tap Text from the bottom menu. Then tap Add Text. Now type your words in the text box. Then tap on the screen. Here you will see more options, like templates, font styles, and more. Now edit your text styles as you want. Then adjust size and position by dragging the text on the preview screen. Then tap on the checkbox when done. After that, tap on the back button from the menu bar. Now tap on Auto Caption. Now choose your generate location like video or voiceover or all. Then select your spoken language. After that, select a template from here. And then tap Generate. Now play your video and check text and caption placement. And that's it. This is how you can add text and captions in CapCut on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.